So good morning, guys. This is editing me. Just let you guys know, I didn't talk very much in this vlog, mostly because I was kind of taking everything in. Newport is an absolutely beautiful place. If you haven't been there, definitely check it out. But just to give you guys kind of like a premise, pretty much woke up around 5 a.m. that morning. Took a stroll down the square of the town, very quiet, no one was really out and about. Then got some breakfast and explored for the day, and later on you guys will see me do the cliff walk. About to hop in this hammock. Restaurant is really pretty. Near Gusto's. Very cute. I can't stop taking photos. Everything is just so freaking beautiful. I need to go back to the room. I can go do this cliff walk. So here's the fit, which is kind of like a fake hike fit because I wasn't really prepared to go hike, but it's cute or whatever. I have on this Nike hat, sunglasses, the same shirt that I've been wearing this entire time, these black shorts, and then I have slides on. Please don't judge me. I didn't bring sneakers and I'm not about to buy no sneakers. So that's what we're doing. So if you guys have never been to Newport, basically there's like this huge tourist attraction called the Cliff Walk. I'm not sure how long it is, but I know it took us about 3 hours to finish the entire walk. And also don't pay attention to the fact that I'm wearing the worst outfit possible to go on a hike, but you know, this is just what I had for the day, and this was really not planned at all. But just to explain a little bit about it, the cliff is set on the side of Easton Beach, so it's easier if you just search Easton Beach in your maps instead of Cliff Walk, and then it'll give you kind of like the walkway. And so you'll have the beach on your left, and then you'll have the mansions on your right. And you guys will see later on in the vlog, but after we finished the cliff walk, we just went around, took a bus, and then we just did the mansion tour. So I hope you guys enjoy this part. It's a lot of views, nice vibes. go and find a way to get out of this place that is not walking. Just take a look at my shoes here. I'm gonna have to go home and wash these. Not recommended at all. Houses, like, oh my god, so beautiful. Do you guys see this landscaping? Like, what? So there are actually a couple mansions on the tour. I only showed this one, which is the Rose Cliff. This is my favorite mansion. I'm not sure if it's this one that you can go in and have an audio tour or one of the other ones, but this one, the grounds are beautiful. If you have an aesthetic similar to mine and you want to look for a mansion to take photos, this is the one to do it. So pretty much right after the tours and everything, we were super hungry. There is a restaurant right across the street from Easton Beach called Tickets. Everything tastes so good. I had the stuffed shrimp, amazing, and they have really good cocktails. And then after this, we just hung out at the beach, got some souvenirs, and made our way home. So we left the restaurant. Hi guys, so right now I'm in a parking lot. I'm trying to find some cute souvenirs. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find something small.